Hi guys, my name is Nick Moody and I'm here at John Jones in Greenville, Indiana. We're located just a few minutes outside of downtown Louisville and Clarksville, right off Highway 150 here. What I have for you guys today is a 2014 Honda Civic Coupe, and this is going to have the 2.4 liter iVTEC motor. Very sharp car, as you can see. You've got sporty wheels. It's going to be the coupe, so it's going to be your two-door. Guys, on the front end of this vehicle, you notice that it does have the fog lights and just the overall great appearance on the front end of this car. Very sharp, very sporty. If you're into the Hondas, you'll know that the SI is the top of the line model for the car, if that's what you're looking for. And I'm going to go along with some of the other features that this car has to offer. Moving along to the interior of the car, guys, the vehicle is going to be equipped with the push to start button. This vehicle is a 6-speed manual transmission, so to start the car you're going to engage the clutch and press that button there, and that will start the vehicle for you. You do have your buttons on the steering wheel, which are very nice. You'll notice that it does come equipped with a very nice big color touch radio. The vehicle also has a rear backup camera, which that'll show up on the dash there. You'll see that it does have very sharp two-tone black and red interior, and the seats are also inscribed with the Civic Si emblem, which really kind of give it a nice sharp look to the car. Civic also has the sunroof, which is power operated. You just use this button right up here. Earlier, guys, I showed you how this vehicle has the very nice wheels that are equipped on it. They're going to be 18-inch alloys, and you'll notice that they have a black / polished aluminum look to them, which is very sharp. Moving along to the back of the car, the vehicle has a nice spoiler, which is just going to be another nice feature to make that appearance really stand out. The backup camera is going to be located right here, and getting into the trunk here, just press this button. That's going to open up for you. This vehicle also has 60/40 split seating and a pretty decent sized trunk for being a two-door car. Guys, this concludes your walk-around demo on the 2014 Honda Civic Si. If you have any questions or like to schedule a test drive, please come and ask for Nick Moody, or you can call 812-923-6665. And remember, we're located in Greenville, Indiana, right off Highway 150.